All right, guys. Next up, we got Adam here. Is going to change the pace a little bit. We're going to do a 2015 Select Soccer box. After this, I actually got some World Cup soccer coming up for Jordan too. So let's see what we got. Change of pace here. Lukaku, number to 199. National Pride, Vincent Kompany, his countryman. 199. Belgium. 30. It's 35 now. 35 now. 199. Red parallel of Neymar. Base. Camo of Costas Mitrilo, 249. Greece. All right, then we've got an England duel. Adam Lallana and Jordan Henderson. Another Costas. This one is the 299 blue. And a 149 jersey, James Rodriguez. Aristis Karnezis, another Greek piece, blue parallel, 249. National Pride, there's a good one, Cristiano Ronaldo. It's numbered 69 of 149. Mario Mandzukic, number to 199. Croatia, and the last pack should have an autograph. It is Enzo Perez, numbered to 99, with jersey. All right. That'll do it, buddy. I appreciate it, man. I will get all this stuff packed up and out.